Oh my, what? I didn't even. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, I didn't even just. I just went straight into the movers. We might have a good derailment. I like the tilting function on this. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, dude. I can't. What just happened? Oh my goodness. I'm trying to maneuver this camera. Oh my god. Yo. So we're near a fence too. Woo! We got all these hills. We'll try to run in the tunnel! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Dude! Holy crap. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my god. We got a car that landing in the building. Holy crap. Oh! 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 Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Dude! Okay, I was expecting worse. I was expecting worse than a... Oh my god! We're just in the middle of the town! German slash European, German slash European routes. Oh crap, crap. Oh my god, okay. Okay, I can't be too loud right now. I can't be too loud. Oh my goodness. Whoa! Jeez. Oh my god, that's scary. Okay. Wow. That was insane. Oh my goodness. Where's it at? Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! Wow! That was amazing! Dude, you guys, tell me you guys did not just see that. Tell me you guys did not just see that. Oh, derailed. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, I don't know what it's gonna look like. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but it's gonna be amazing. Oh my god, there it is. Here we go! Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! That was... Oh my god! 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 Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Yo, that was amazing! Oh my goodness! Wow! That was amazing. So I don't know. So yeah. But I'll see you guys in this one. If you guys like, bye.